Alright, so I prepped a bunch of stuff. Basically, you just put two pieces together, sew them together. You know this. But find ones that are like the same size, like say these two guys, and then this guy looks like it's about the same. Sew them together, but chain them through. So let's do that. Because they fit kind of, you know, it's not about the color matching, as long as they're not the same color next to each other, I don't care. It's about the fit. If they fit next to each other, just whip it. Like this one I just chained through, and it's ready to be trimmed. Got my little ruler, 2" 2". Plop it down on there. Trim the top, trim the bottom. This is trash, this is still good. Flip it around to the ones you just cut. Line up the 2". Trim, trim. There's a block. Let's see, okay, so we got that one in there and that's his. So this one I already started. This one looks like it'll fit nicely on here. So we just line up the edge. We'll run it through. And then meanwhile we can take this one off that we did earlier. Press, just finger press is fine at this point. Press them open. See, that one looks like it could go on there. Doesn't really need to, but might as well add it. Actually, I think it'll look more interesting on the edge over here. So put it on this corner. Alright, let's look at this guy. Finger press it open. Looks like this one goes here pretty easily. Or this triangle would probably make it done. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. Let's try it. Finger press. Let's add something over here. Basically, you can make them bigger and then cut them down, which is easier for sure. Let's put the little corner on there. That's kind of what I like to do. Make them a bit bigger, trim them down. That way you can pick the best part of your 2" square by moving your ruler around. Alright, let's see if this one's big enough. It's probably close. It's close enough. Missing a little corner there, but if it's in the seam allowance, I don't care. It won't be a big deal. Trim. Trim. Another one done. Let's see. Gray and pink. Put that together. Even though it's a little big, we can trim those corners off. This one. Alright, so this just needs a little corner action there, looks like. I always have these greens because I did a project with these green colors, and man, I got a ton of green corners, triangles. Let's see how our gray, okay. So I have this grid here, and I can kind of judge by the grid how much I need a little corner here and a corner here, and that one will be done. So I find a corner. Oh look, another green corner. Put that one on this side. Come on. Now I trim this seam allowance that's beyond the seam allowance because these quilts, as you know, are quite heavy enough without extra seam allowance inside. Alright, so if you see my grid, looks like we can trim up a little bit here. Looks like I need a little bit of a corner there. Or not. It's in the seam allowance, it's pretty close. I think I would call this one done because it's close enough. Trim those little tiny things off. See that little corner there? It's, let's see, my seam allowance will be about halfway, so I think it'll be fine. Done. So, how'd I do?